What up? On location in Swanee, Georgia. This is after treatment, people. You can already see how light it's gotten since we started, especially this area right here. Yes, indeed. Yeah, allow your product proper dwell time, especially colder temperatures. Take it a little bit longer. Just rough them out. Wake up and let the sun shine on you, y'all. Get out here and get you some. Yes, indeed. Let's go around to the back. Yeah, client said they didn't want to get that done. They're thinking about redoing it, tearing it down or something. I don't know. But anyway, check out the back. Of course, they didn't want to go for the orange clay treatment. For the most part, the back of this house turned out pretty good. Yes, that's an upsell, people. That's an upsell. Take care of your bottom line. I know it's Christmas, but we can't give everything away. Turned out pretty good. Let's get up on it like it was before. All that dirt is gone. Yes, 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 yes. Gone. You want it done right. High pros. Let's go up here to this stoop so I can give you a close-up at it. I threw these in for the customer, or the client rather. Threw these in as a courtesy. Yep. And here's that stoop. I don't know what that is, but it looks like stain from that door. Guess they'll figure that out. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. Yes, indeed. You want it done right? Our pros.